Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. Happy Easter! We are going to share with you a 30% off sale on hookedonpickin.com. So go to hookedonpickin.com. So he is risen, but prices are dropping on Hooked on Pickin. And so, so definitely go to Hooked on Pickin and check out all the fun things that we have. I'm going to show you some of the things that you can get right now on hookedonpickin.com. All right, so we do have some fun Easter items like your eggs and squishy toys. We're in the toy aisle right now, so we have everything that's kind of, toy related. You do need a pink dinosaur in your life. It's a glamorous pink dinosaur. And then let's see what else we want to look at. Oh, there's another dinosaur. Bananas, squishy bananas. All right, I'm going to switch to this side because we have some bigger items on this side. Look at this cute little bath towel. It's like a hooded shark bath towel. And then we've got like this. It's a food toy set. All right, so now you know we have toys. We have lots of toys. So let's kind of round the corner. We're going to look at a few other things down some of our other aisles. So we do have patriotic items. So we've got lei necklaces and some of these beaded necklaces for the 4th of July. Look at this. Since we're talking about Easter and Jesus, pray. There you go. So we've got some fun things like that. We got a 5-in-1 barbecue set there. We've got some pet food down here. We've got some cool folding stools. Those come in handy. Again, more patriotic stuff. We've got some 3D printed vases. And they do hold water. You can put water in them. Those are great. Some welcome mats. Anybody need a Richard Simmons puzzle? Paul raised his hand behind the camera. We didn't see it, but it was there. All right, so we've got a whole bunch of fun things here. Oh, mystery boxes. These are our medium mystery boxes. Aren't they so pretty? They want to come to your house. They want to come to your house. So buy the medium mystery boxes. We actually have a small box that's $24.99. The medium is $49.99. And then the large is $74.99. The extra large is $99.99. And the mega is $199.99. So if you want those, you can get those. These are pet toys. You can get metal Coke signs. These are actually wind spinners, aren't they? This is a side table. So it's the Art Deco one. And then we've got some wind spinners right there. There. Now I can reach the wind spinner. Oh, it's upside down.
It's upside down.
There we go. So we got some fun wind spinners there. We even have a whole stationery section that we have things like this in.
What is your Easter plan?
My Easter plan is to go to church and worship with God's people and hear about Jesus' resurrection, which is the best news ever. And then, so I'll be having an Easter breakfast. We do a big, huge free pancake and sausage breakfast, and we have all sorts of other things other than that. And we'll be doing that, and guess what? None of the ladies cook. It's all of the men of the church cook the breakfast and serve it to our community and, and our church body too. And then the youth teen guys are going to be, 3 of them are doing short devotionals, and the youth teen girls will be doing praise and worship between those devotionals. And then at 10 o'clock, they'll be doing the main service where our praise team will worship. So that's me and like 5 other people, which are very talented musicians. I just sing, like they all play instruments and stuff. And then Paul will preach, the choir will sing, and then we do a 2,000 Easter egg hunt for the community as well right after the service, and then we relax after that, right?
I think so, eventually.
Yes. But I'll also be making sure we have tons of stuff on Hooked on Pickin because it'll be a 30% off Easter sale. So we'll make sure we have all the stuff on Hooked on Pickin before this. I know, I love Easter. Easter's my fave. So let's see what else we can buy. Oh, look, we have lots of clothing things. Okay, I wanted to show you guys this. Watch, ready? I have this shirt. I have this shirt. Ooh, I own this shirt. I own this shirt. Ooh, sorry.
Wherever do you get these shirts?
Hookedonpickin.com. Oh, wait. I own this shirt. I don't do yellow, so I don't own that shirt. I do own this shirt. Hold on, I'm looking at all. Oh, I own this shirt. I like the cold shoulder ones. I own this shirt. I could probably, well, I own almost all the clothes. Like I shop at my own store. And then we've got, look, Amish soaps. So we do have a whole health and beauty section.
I like how the soap's right next to the Reese's candy. I love it.
Yes. Oh yeah, you can buy a whole box of these Reese's lava cups. We've got paperweights.
Glow in the dark.
Glow in the dark paperweights on Hooked on Pickin. Then what else we got? Oh, look at this. Is a whole bathroom set. It's like spring themed, like little bees on it.
We got all that bedding stuff too.
Oh, tons of bedding stuff. Yeah, and tote bags and stuff that match your bedding. And so, oh, these are robes.
Bathrobes. Yeah.
Executive robes, they call them.
Professional bathers.
Yes. Yes. Oh, this is the coolest thing ever. It's a foldable picnic table. Or picnic table? Picnic basket. Sorry, picnic basket. So those are fun. All right, so we just have tons of stuff on Hooked on Pickin. Yips ahoy. It's a chew toy for a dog. So all sorts of fun items on Hooked on Pickin. So definitely come here, get your 30% off your for your Easter sale. It's an automatic sale, so you don't even have to press a button. You'll just see that 30% off, take it off automatically when you go to your checkout. And so check all the categories. We even recently put a bunch of stuff on clearance. And so yes, you even get 30% off what's already on clearance. So it's like a double whammy there of savings. So also make sure you spend some time with your family and your loved ones and focus on Jesus this Easter season because he is reason we're dropping the prices. So thanks so much for joining us. And of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.